Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change IP address using a VPN. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to change your IP address with a VPN. So first of all, we will install a VPN extension for our browser. So I'm using Chrome browser, so here's I'm opening Chrome Web Store. Once you are in your browser web store, in the search box type here VPN and search for it. And here you will get bunch of different VPN extensions. So I'm going to install this Touch VPN. So all you have to do is just add this Touch VPN extension to your browser and click on this icon and make sure to pin the Touch VPN extension. Okay, once the VPN installed, now let's change our IP address. So click on this VPN extension icon and click on this choice drop down, and from this available IP address or location you can select any location. Just select the country and click on connect. Once you connect it to the location, your IP address will be changed. This is how we can easily change our IP address. And to stop VPN, just click on stop. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.